right, so I'm going to be monthly meal planning and grocery shopping today. And so I am sitting down right now to just do the monthly dinners. My breakfasts and lunches pretty much stay the same. So I want to show you guys how I do it. All right, so I have the sheet available for free, so I'll link it in the description. But the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write down the different categories that I have or the different types of meals that I want to plan, which is going to be chicken, beef, and then I'm going to be doing meatless, and I'm going to be doing leftovers, which I'll put down here, leftovers, because I don't have to write anything for that. I'm just going to rewrite whatever I wrote up here. I'm going to be doing pasta meals, and these are my two easy meals, which is going to be like different types of pizzas and breakfast for dinners. And so a couple of things that I can fill in quickly are my breakfast for dinners, which one night we will do waffles. One night we will do pancakes. One night I will do it's kind of like oh my goodness, eggs, sweet potatoes. It's a pie thing, a breakfast quiche. Oh my goodness gracious. A breakfast quiche. And then one night will just be like a simple oatmeal or porridge. I don't think I spelled that right. And then pizzas, we just will do like homemade pizzas where everybody can just make their own. So I make the crust from scratch and then everybody just makes their own. So that's one night a week will be homemade pizzas. And then for the different pasta meals, I'm going to be doing goulash or macaroni grattini, lemon garlic pasta, turkey, sausage pasta, and roasted garlic pasta. Can you tell we like garlic? One night a week is meatless. Meatless, I will be doing my sweet potato chili. We'll also be doing a one pot Mexican quinoa. Oh my gosh, I am definitely, spelling is not my strong suit, y'all. Don't judge me. I'm going to be doing a potato soup with bread, a tomato soup with grilled cheese sandwiches, grilled cheese, and my sweet potato chili will be with tortilla chips. And for beef, I will be doing taco bar one night. We will be having stew beef. We will be doing meatloaf, beef, enchiladas. I don't know if that's how you spell that. Like I said, don't judge me. I will be doing a whole chicken at one point with rice and beans. Sorry if you guys hear my dog. I'll be doing barbecue drumsticks with corn and rice, which is very summery, but kiddos really like it. I will also be doing shredded barbecue chicken, like on buns. So I guess like a shredded barbecue chicken sandwich. And I will also be doing a one sheet pan, like chicken and veggie and potato, like under the oven meal. So that is going to be our dinner's leftovers. My whole chicken always produces enough to be a leftover. So I try to go through each section. My stew beef always produces enough to do leftovers. Sweet potato chili always leaves leftovers, and my goulash. So that's how I do leftovers. I will double batch these and make sure that there's enough left over for us to have for dinner. And so now that I have all this, I'm going to sit down and go through and create a shopping list to make sure that I have everything that can be bought ahead of time. So like, for example, the veggies associated with this will not be purchased ahead of time. But my chicken will be purchased because that can be frozen. My beef will be purchased ahead of time, and those different types of things, quinoa, pasta, those things will be purchased in my monthly grocery haul. But on a weekly basis, I'll go and get the perishables. So I hope that makes sense. All right, so I went ahead and made my shopping list based off of all the non-perishable things that I can purchase from our monthly. And the only thing that's not included in here is my breakfast for dinner things, because that will be in my breakfast shopping list, which I'll show you guys in a minute of how I plan for like our weekly meals. So this is what it looks like. This sheet is actually on my in my planner, but this is pretty much what it looks like. The 7 breakfasts, every breakfast comes with bacon, eggs, or and fruit. So this is the breakfasts, this is the lunches, this is the shopping list that pretty much stays the same every single week. And this is my monthly shopping list, which overflows onto the other side because it's my monthly things that I grab for the month. So I grab like 12 loaves of bread and I shove them in the freezer and stuff like that. So when I grocery shop for the month, I grab this and this because I need to eat that week, or we need to eat that week. And along with all the things that we have down here for our monthly dinners. And these are our snacks. All right, so I am just going through right now. I'm going to go through Dillon's and Walmart and place my orders for pickup and delivery. All right, so this is a pretty big haul. It's about $250. And this is what we got. We got 2 things of sugar. This is for baking. 4 things of light brown sugar, 4 things of cinnamon raisin bagels, 2 things of frozen blueberries, 1 extra large thing of sliced strawberries, some hot chocolate, some white popcorn kernels to do in our air popper, some garlic, 2 things of bread flour, a large thing of all-purpose flour, 4 bags of hint lime tortillas, 2 packages of quinoa, 1 bag of granola. And starting from the back here, we've got a huge thing of vegetable oil. Hopefully, I mean, this will last longer than a month. I just didn't have any vegetable oil. 1 thing of olive oil, 1 thing of avocado oil, some coconut oil, and baking powder, active dry yeast, and 12 containers of biscuits, of jumbo biscuits, 2 things of sharp cheddar, 1 container of cream cheese, because I would buy this like maybe every 2 weeks, 1 thing of salted butter, and then 1 of unsalted butter, 4 cartons of vanilla almond milk, 2 boxes of elbow macaroni. This is 6 boxes of Velveeta. It came in 3 packs each. Sorry, that's my dog outside. 1 box of Honey Nut O's with 2 boxes of Magic Treasure, which I guess is like, I can't remember what it's called, but y'all know what. That's cereal with the marshmallows. 4 things of strawberry jelly, 1 bottle of cinnamon, 2 things of bacon, a thing of garlic, minced garlic, 2 jars of mayo, 4 jars of pizza sauce, a 5-pound bag of drumsticks, some stew beef, some ground turkey. They had to cancel one of them.
I feel like I'm missing some cereal too. So I have to check on that, see what's up with that. Because I should have gotten 6 boxes of cereal and I only got 3. And some turkey breast. So that's what we got with this first haul. All right, this one I'm gonna quickly do from the garage. This is our Dillon's pickup order. I got 2, 4, 6, 7, 8 boxes of pancake mix. I got 1, 2, 3 loaves of, no, 4 loaves of plain bagels, 2 loaves of raisin bagels to add to my other raisin bagel order from Walmart, but Walmart ran out, so I grabbed some from Dillon's. So 4 and 2 more to add to the other 2, or the other 4, I think. Pretty much my daughter and I are the only ones that have plain bagels, and then everybody else has raisin bagels. So that's why we have more raisins than plains every month. I got 2 things of old-fashioned oats. Got 1 whole chicken. 1 30 count of eggs. This should only last us about 2 weeks. 1 thing of toilet paper. Then 3 cartons of peanut butter, of honey peanut butter, and 2 cartons of fettuccine macaroni. And then in here, we got a couple of different things, which is why I skipped over it. We have got 4 things of ground beef. They ran out of the 80/20, so I had to get the 85/15. So I got 3 85/15s and 1 80/20, which is fine. So 4 things of ground beef and 3 things of smoked turkey sausage. And that's it. $97. Editing Wendy here. Forgot to end my video. If you have got any questions, please leave it in the comments. My monthly meal planning sheet will be available in the description. And until next time, bye y'all. Let me know if you like these monthly meal planning videos.